Good morning. Myself Dr. Radhika, working as associate professor in the Department of Agricultural Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Last class we discussed about macronutrients. Today's class we discuss about micronutrient. The topmost micronutrient is iron. The functions of iron is essential for chlorophyll production, then helps carry electron to mix oxygen with other elements. The deficiency of iron is motile and interveinal chlorosis in young leaves. It appears only in the young leaves. It's called as interveinal chlorosis, standard growth, and slender sharp stems. Then another iron, it shows the in the picture shows the iron deficiency, that is intravenous chlorosis. So then mottled, crinkled, that intravenous chlorosis are seen in this picture. These are the deficiencies of iron. Then another micronutrient is copper. The functions of copper helps in the uses of iron, helps mainly in the respiration. The deficiency symptom is young leaves are small, permanently wilted, the multiple buds at stem tips. So, at copper in the picture shows the tip of the plants are mainly occur in the buds, multiple buds at stem tips. The picture shows the stem tips occur in the in the end of the multiple buds in the stem tips. Buds are occur in the stem tips. These are the copper deficiency. Then another one element is zinc's main functions in plant metabolism, helps form growth and development of growth hormones and reproductions also. For example, growth hormone is auxin gibberellin. The deficiency symptom is retard growth between nodes, roseate in appearance. The new leaves are thick, small in size, parted between veins, discolored veins. Then the picture shows the mainly growth between the roseate growth between the nodes, between one node to another node, so it appear the rosette appearance. Then another one is a new leaves are thick and small and spotted with discolored veins. Colors are discolored. So these are symptoms of zinc deficiency. Then another one element is boron. The functions of borons are affect water absorbing by the roots, then translocations of sugars. Main functions of boron is sugar transferation. The deficiency symptoms of boron is short, thick thickened stem tips. Young leaves of terminal buds are light green at the base. Leaves become twisted and die. The boron deficiency sees the picture shows the boron deficiency. So then twisted and die. Leaves become a twisting appearance, then and die in the and also twisted and die. These are the symptoms of boron deficiency. Then manganese, another symptom is manganese. Functions of manganese: plant metabolism, nitrogen transformation. These two functions mainly involved with the manganese. The deficiency symptom is again intervenous chlorosis, mainly occur in young leaves. It will be die. So another manganese deficiency will shows the manganese deficiency, intervenous chlorosis. Then another one is intervenous chlorosis. Young leaves are die. So next one is molybdenum. The functions of molybdenum is mainly plant development and reproductions, mainly involved in the reproduction systems. So deficiency symptoms are stunted growth, yellow leaves, upward curling leaves, leaf margin bone. So the molybdenum deficiency, the picture shows the leaves are bent. Some places are some leaves are burnt. Then a standard growth. The growth of the plant is very standard. Then another one is chlorine. The functions of chlorine essential some plant processes act in enzyme system. The deficiency symptoms are usually more problems with too much of chlorine or toxic than with the deficiency. Toxicity problem is main in the chlorine. Chlorine deficiency are yellow in color. It looks like sir toxicity sir appears. Usually more problem with too much of chlorine. So it's actual toxicity than the deficiency. Then overall summary of the deficiency: elements, functions, forms and nodes. First, mainly vegetative part, the nutrients are responsible are nitrogen, carbon, potassium, magnesium. Structural response, plant structural responsible nutrients are calcium, silicon. Then reproductive responsible nutrients are phosphorus, sulfur, manganese, nitrogen. Functions. The nitrogen function is leaf growth, carbon is energy storage, potassium leaf growth, manganese for chlorophyll. Form is nitrogen is nitrate form, carbonate forms. So then structural calcium is cell wall function, then silicon is like cell repair, then calcium it forms calcium carbonate, then silicon is made by organic matters. Then phosphorus it's responsible for seed, fruit and root functions. Sulfur is same functions of phosphorus. Manganese is main seed development. Then nitrogen N is mainly responsible for the seed, fruit. Then root it forms a ammoniacal form. Then sulfur is sulfate form. Phosphorus is phosphorus form. Then mainly nitrogen function greens, some fruits and early like tomato. Then carbon is a key compost ingredient. Phosphorus is potassium function is potash, green sand and broken forms. These are the needed for photosynthesis. Manganese is mainly important for photosynthesis. Then calcium, limestone, dolomite, gypsum as a calcium containing fertilizer. Bamboo leaves, silicon is mainly involved in the bamboo leaves. Phosphorus mainly called as a salt, rock phosphate, guna. Then sulfur is called as a salt. Then manganese only needed very small amount. Then nitrogen again late for large fruits and tomato and pot. Thank you all.